I searched how to buy shares of Serabi Gold Plc to demonstrate the process. Serabi Gold Plc is a mining company listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker SRB.L. This presentation is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy SRB.L, you need a broker account, and we'll use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SRB.L to find Serabi Gold Plc. Make sure you select the listing on the LSE PLC to open the correct instrument. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a price chart for SRB.L. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm this is the right stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and review the order details before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the purchase. Once executed or queued, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow this example